represent for Mr. In Demand TV. You know, a real TV. Yes, a straight TV. It's not a lean TV. Yeah, it a go bust the place big. Me actually said that I'm...
Yeah, but not for the rest of man them just come and just with a one bag of drama. There's money them a make the argue and one bag of foolish. They now build up the place. Instead of money make the thing turn up, money make the thing worse. Every man know who have money and buy gun over this and buy gun down there, so I do all kind of things. And Dan and them something, instead of them build up some school and some community center and some basketball court and them things, because that's what money supposed to do. But as the city and money make them stay, so I just, as the culture, we have to change the culture and make them know, so yo, you see what I say? I have to change the culture, dog.
One example what I can talk about, you know.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I talk about the hard done, you know. You know?
Yeah.
Bob Marley making money, you know. Bob Marley making money to help people. Cartel making money. Cartel by gun and gang to kill our blood clot people. You know what it is? Every more there alone. Yeah. No, I don't say I don't say that you know. Bob Marley and them man they make money. They help the community and help the place and things. Cartel, 3 have some money and things now. A ganging fan. And if a man want to say something about him, 10 years ago or 20 years ago, he said man go blood clot kill him. Yeah, they made it. Yeah, I really think made it. Which means they come in and say, no man, give me no man, we are small country, small.
Yeah, you them build up basketball court, them come together build school and all them sit and fix up the road and because them make money. Yeah, them make money so them fix up the place because the more people go down and the more money they make, you know.
The more money they make.
Because guess what, you may go down with 2 grand, but you know how much family you feed out of the 2 grand because the orange man where you does the orange from. The man feed picnic them or she have picnic them and the dance where you go to the restaurant where you go your people work in there. So the money does flow all over the country. And some money flow, you know.
Yeah, but to keep it down, I said, no man, I go to Canada, kill John.
Yeah, for no reason.
For no reason.
Yeah, because you want hype and say you're the dance. Foolish.
Yeah.
Foolish.
Yeah.
Foolish.
Yeah, I really think about it.
Foolish.
Yeah, man.
That's how the culture will go.
I agree. I agree.
Let me come here, you know, the man.
Because them make money, you know.
You know, the man come from.
Them make money down there, you know. So if they come together as a unit, the both of them can do all the things in the lab. Power force, you know. Yeah, me now say, but everybody can do them look part.
Run the underworld.
Because I guess if all of them build a foundation, everyone will run their part, dog. Because if you make money, you still have a foundation. Yeah. Yeah, but when I say none of them not try if you go do nothing, none of them not try if you go, none of them try to come with badness. Because true, I eat at the in thing and I eat the girl them like, and nobody not creative enough to say make we do something different. You see what I mean, man?
Yeah, man.
Look at the artists over here. You know, see them a give away 10 million and all kind of million. Some of them may keep them money and give away. But all of them a give away money. Any little thing they give away 5 million, 8 million, 7 million or whatever. You know, see Jamaican artists them a give away no money when things happen. Even not even one bicycle. Yo, drama thing, dog. Some of them, Popcorn and a couple of them have treat and things. Not all of them. But what I say is, Shaggy are the real general out of all of them. Because Shaggy make the most money and give back to Jamaican hospital. You see me I say, so Shaggy are the real general. None of them not turn up like Shaggy. Shaggy do what them can't imagine. And Shaggy, the way Shaggy get to the hospital, none of the artists them even have them the whole for money there. Because a million US Shaggy give them every
Give a million out of fee.
No man, the million no man. Him have an organization, him keep a show and proceed. So sometimes yeah, people are big company I put England in there. Okay.
And I have heard